హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, టుడే అయితే మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ అయిన యాసిడ్స్ బేసెస్ అండ్ సాల్ట్స్ సక్సెసర్ క్లాస్ అంటే ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ కి సక్సెసర్ క్లాస్ అన్నమాట. సో ఇదైతే చాప్టర్ 4 ఆఫ్ కెమిస్ట్రీ ఇన్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ ఆఫ్ 10th క్లాస్. యాసిడ్స్ బేసెస్ అండ్ సాల్ట్స్. Acid bases and salts lesson name. In the first session we have discussed about the introduction part, and in this class we are going to discuss about the activity 1 and activity 2 of acids bases and salts chapter. So let us start the session. So when we enter into the activity 1, we have to collect the samples of some of the acids, the given acids and bases in the textbook. So we have to test them whether they are acids or bases by the given indicators: litmus paper, phenolphthalein, and methyl indicator. These are synthetic indicators. We have to know and justify when the color changes in the acid of indicators and when the color changes in the base of the indicators. So we firstly take the acid HCl and the base NaOH. Remaining there are so many in the textbook. Go through the textbook. So by using red litmus paper turns red to blue in base and red remains same in acid. So red litmus paper when dipped into HCl, as it is the acid remains same and no change. And when red litmus paper is dipped into NaOH solution, it turns red litmus to blue litmus. And when we dip the blue litmus paper into HCl, as it is the acid, blue turns to red color. When we dip the blue litmus paper in NaOH solution, as it is the base, it remains same, that is no change. Phenolphthalein indicator. Phenolphthalein indicator is a synthetic indicator. It is used widely, and methyl orange also. Methyl orange indicator. When we dip or add some drop of phenolphthalein indicator into HCl, as it is the acid, it becomes colorless. Phenolphthalein indicator when added few drops to HCl, that means acid, it turns into colorless solution. When phenolphthalein indicator is added to a few drops added to NaOH solution, as it is the base, it turns pink color. The solution turns pink color. Methyl orange indicator is also a synthetic indicator, and when methyl orange indicator is added to the HCl, that is an acid, turns red color. When methyl orange indicator is added few drops to the NaOH solution, as it is the base, when methyl orange indicator reacts with the base, it gives yellow color. This is the first activity. Remaining there are some more acids and bases in the textbook. They must be answered by you. Now let us discuss about activity 2. This is a simple activity. We have to take an onion. We have to take an onion and peel it off. The onion peels are compressed in an cover. Put a small piece of cloth in the cover and tie it closely. Keep the cover in refrigerator for a night. After the night, we have to take out the cloth, smell it. We get some odor smell. We have to react it with some of the acids and bases. So neutral solutions like acids like HCl and bases like NaOH, neutral salts, etc., etc. When we test with that, we can get different types of odors. So we can notify what odor smell is coming by the acids, by the bases, by the neutral solution, and we can note it. Then we can distinguish the acids, bases and salts based on this indicator. Homely made indicator, onion peel indicator. It is an olfactory indicator, means it is distinguish the acid, bases and salts by the smell itself. This is so simple and used widely in the countries as the methyl orange indicator and phenolphthalein indicator. So this is an homemade indicator and it is better used. So some of the olfactory indicators means we can test the acid, bases and salts by the smell itself. These some of the olfactory indicators are vanilla essence, clove oil, etc. Vanilla essence, clove oil, etc. These are used as olfactory indicators. There are some more olfactory indicators in the textbook. So this is the today class. We discuss acid, bases and salts. Activity 1, activity 2. This is about red litmus, blue litmus papers, phenolphthalein and methyl orange indicator. This is activity 2 is then about onion peel homemade indicators. So this is the class, students. So we will meet in next class. Thank you.